Ooh, it is cold today, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. My cute adorable marshmallow dog is laying in the snow. It's probably 14 degrees Fahrenheit. We got a fun video today. So the Ferrari 812 Superfast, I bought that car a couple months ago. I don't really know when. We've been waiting to start the build on that, and finally we got the best exhaust for that car. It's been installed at Lamborghini Salt Lake. We got to go pick it up. The Corvette Z06, amazing news, and then the Murcielago is broken, so not as good a news. If you guys saw the end of my last video, I took a bit of a tumble out here on the driveway, and although my hips, my legs, and my lower back is healed, my ego is still bruised, so we gotta be very, very cautious out here. We have some very good news behind that garage door. Back from the dead, ladies and gentlemen. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Dun dun dun. The Z06 is back. Massive shout out to the boys off at Riverton Chevrolet. I thought it was gonna be the worst. I thought it might need a new transmission. It was a gasket. It was a transmission pan gasket. That's all it was. The warranty covered the issue. No big deal. We're back to 100%. Now we're not gonna drive the Z06 today. We're gonna drive the Murcielago, but she's back, baby. There's just something about a manual Murcielago on a cold winter's December gloomy day. It just doesn't get any better. This car is just like a sweet symphony. It is just smooth as butter, baby. Smooth as butter. Love this car. So we're headed off to Lamborghini Salt Lake City. The Murcielago, I kind of sort of clickbaited you guys. It's not broken. We got an airbag warning light, and then the driver window regulator, like, it doesn't function at all. Not a catastrophic issue. It's also due for its annual servicing, so we're gonna swap this car out for the 812 Superfast. And welcome here to Lamborghini of Salt Lake City, Utah. They have so many cars in inventory, you just never know what you're gonna see. Also an Aventador Roadster covered in snow. There's just something about it. I like it. So these guys are telling me this is the single loudest cold start you guys have ever had of any car ever. Ever. Okay, so this is a brilliant exhaust on a Ferrari 812 Superfast. Headphone user seize the moment because apparently it's very, very, very loud. Okay. I am screaming at the top of my lungs. That is insane. The car is finally calm. Oh my gosh. What? That's insane. Do that again. That's so good. What? Oh my gosh. That is so good. I already know I'm going to get into so much trouble with this car. Front engine, rear wheel drive, 800 horsepower. Bro, fucking what? That's so good. How high was that?
4.5.
4.5? This thing redlines are like 8,000 RPMs. That is so good. Yeah, if you live in the greater Salt Lake City area, I'm sorry. I just realized Kent was grinding it. What? What? That is so good. Wow. Okay, we are actually gonna go to jail in this car. That's ridiculous. Don't baby it, bro. You were doing like 2,000 RPMs. The adrenaline rush of driving an 812 Superfast in the winter time on cold tires, nothing can touch it. We're gonna drive the car very slow. We gotta warm up these tires the best we can. This probably isn't doing anything whatsoever except for making me dizzy, but we gotta warm them up. The tires are 100% warmed up. Oh my gosh. This car cannot put down the power. The downshifts are so snappy. It is so good. What? Brilliant exhaust all the way from Japan. This car is an actual banshee. Oh, okay. You know what? We're gonna warm up the tires a little bit more. Oh, we shouldn't, but we have to. Go. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It is so good. I love this car so much. Oh my gosh. The note is so perfect. It honestly sounds like a Formula 1 car at full send. This is like the best sounding car in the entire world. I am legit losing my voice. That's crazy. You know what? We got to flip around for round 2. And again. That's so good. I am making the worst faces in today's video. I love this car. Wow. Shout out to the homies at Brilliant Exhaust in Japan. This thing, the pitch is perfect. It sounds so good. I'm getting emotional. Goodness, we gotta get this car home before we go to jail. Of course, there's one final true test, and that is, what is she gonna sound like inside the main garage? We gotta back her up. Assuming we can get traction, I put the car in wet mode. Obviously, there's all the snow and ice, but we should be okay. Come on, baby, come on. You guys know my garage is the craziest echo chamber. That was nothing. Bro, It is 2:00 p.m., okay? All my neighbors are at work right now. They don't even know. It's game over. It's game over. Whoa, whoa, out of absolutely nowhere. What an unexpected surprise. Am I allowed to film this?
You are.
Is this okay?
Am I allowed to bring you a snow shovel?
I could use some help in a lot of avenues of life. Dude, this thing is sick. Congratulations,
Thank
Johnny
you.
Sharp
5-year
in the
dream,
house.
man.
That's right, baby.
I won't shut up about these things, and I finally got one.
You finally, it looks so good. The color's amazing too. I don't want to be this guy, Johnny, but it's a little bit, it's just a little bit quiet.
Can you even tell it's running?
No, you can't.
Not in EV mode.
The main reason Johnny is here is because you are a revving connoisseur. I just got a new exhaust on that, and I need you to rev it. Please, please, please.
Holy smokes, it's like a velociraptor at a kegger.
Okay, sir. Okay. Oscar's like, I don't like that car anymore. Oscar, it's okay, bud. It's okay. It's a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. Did you see the look on Oscar's face?
Oscar
right
shook
there?
his head like, damn.
He's like, why do I have to live with these guys? Sorry, bud. It's a Ferrari.
Why
it's
do
an
I have to be the
NAV12.
responsible one?
Now you'd think today's video might be over, but no, 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 no. We still got a lot to do. We gotta find out what's in this box, and this box. It feels so good to be back in the Z06, even though we're only moving it from one garage to the other. These tires, I don't know if you guys can tell. We just spun so easily on these tires. Come on, come on, come on. There we go, too easy. One issue with the Z06, there's two ways to rev the car. You can just rev it as is, like this, or you can pull in both paddles simultaneously, and then it'll rev all the way up. The problem is, I'm holding a camera. There's no way for me to do it simultaneously, so we gotta set you guys somewhere. This is the weirdest shot ever, I don't know if you can tell. So the camera is resting on my shoulder right now. I can use both hands, pull in the paddles, and properly rev the car. That's so good. What? That sounds amazing. We're getting all of the good exhaust sounds in today's video. We got the NAV12 of the Aventador, the NAV12 of the A12 Superfast, as well as the NAV8 of the brand new Z06. But the Aventador, there's just nothing quite like it. There it is. I definitely shouldn't do this, but I gotta turn the Aventador around, so we just flip it around. It's too easy. Just like that. So much easier rather than a 50-point maneuver. Now, if I was really good, yes, I would have slid it into the other garage, but I'm not that good. But I'm improving, I'm getting better. I'm gonna drop some profound knowledge, Oscar. One wide body is cool, but two wide body Aventadors is progressively cool. That's right, bud. Yeah, two wide bodies. I have been trying to keep this project from you guys for so long. This is gonna take forever. This is gonna take so long to unbox. We probably have like 45 different pieces to unbox. Okay, this is crazy. This is gonna be the most comprehensive build we've ever done on any car in the channel for the Aventador Coupe. That's one box. We still got another one. Okay, this is crazy. Oscar, this is insane, dude. This is insane. And so the great procession begins. We've done some crazy builds. Nothing's gonna touch this. The nice thing about carbon fiber, it's super lightweight. Maybe a bumper, maybe? No idea and no idea. I was gonna buy some silverware, but then I realized another wide body kit makes more sense. When I coined the phrase wide body the world, I meant it. We're gonna wide body everything, literally. Everything's getting a wide body. Front bumper. Alright. Thanks guys, appreciate the support. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my goodness, this thing is so sick. What? I knew this kit was gonna be cool, but I had no idea. I wish it was sunny outside so you guys could see this carbon fiber full replacement bump from Duke Dynamics. That's so sick. It's safe to say Christmas has officially arrived early here to the state of Utah. Look at that full carbon rear bumper too. That's so sick. The carbon fiber weave on this rear bumper looks so good. So every single component, the entire car is gonna be exposed carbon fiber. This is gonna be crazy. Like I said, one wide body Aventador is cool, but two is progressively better. Full exposed carbon fiber, Duke Dynamics Aventador SVR. Obviously, we're just unboxing the kit today. This is a sneak preview into 2023. If my calculations were correct. Every single piece I unbox just gets cooler and cooler. This is, of course, the rear deck lid. Look at that piece. I have been wondering for quite a while what I was gonna use this room for above the breezeway, and now we know, car parts storage, as you do. The full carbon fiber kit from Duke Dynamics. I'm gonna put a photo of the SVR right here. It looks ridiculous. We're gonna try to organize the parts so they all kind of sort of make sense, so give me 10 minutes. This is gonna be the craziest Aventador you guys have ever seen. Every single component is exposed carbon fiber except for the roof. Now the hood, the doors are gonna be here momentarily, but every single component except for the roof is carbon fiber, the Duke Dynamics SVR. This car is gonna absolutely glow. Like this summertime, the glisten on this carbon fiber is gonna be simply unparalleled. Rear deck lid, rear 3/4 panels, side skirt there, we got the wing uprights, and of course the carbon fiber diffuser. This car next to the pink Roadster, like the two cars in tandem, are gonna look so crazy on the road. This might go down in history as the craziest project we've ever done. Now I'm thinking I'll start maybe middle of January, into January, early February. Just depends on the doors and the hood. It is definitely way past my bedtime, so I think today's video is over. We got a bright 2023. The 812 Superfast, new brilliant exhaust sounds absolutely crazy. That is only the beginning of that project. I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve. We got the Duke Dynamics full exposed carbon fiber Aventador also coming in 2023. And then I got a couple more things. I don't want to say too much without quite saying enough, but I think on that bombshell, today's video is over. This acceleration is dedicated to our grandchildren who will never know the left of an energy.